Hello, it's Thinking Thursday again, and I have something really special to do with you guys today. So today, this morning, I walked around with my mom, Miss Rhodey, and we cut a bunch of things that we found in our garden. So I brought around a pair of scissors, and I asked my mom if it was okay to cut a few flowers and different things. I also found things like pine cones, rocks, sticks. You can use anything that's already dead to make this picture. So after I found all of my different colors I wanted, I sorted them into groups. So I have pink and purple here, I have brown and white over here, and then green and yellow here. So I'm going to use these to make a really cool shape and color picture. And so first I'm going to outline a shape out of this bright string and then you guys can guess what shape it is, and then I'll show you how to make it into a really pretty picture. So let's start here with a shape that has two long sides and two short sides. Okay. Can anyone guess what shape that is? It has two long and two short sides. Starts with a R. It's a rectangle. So I think I'm going to fill in my rectangle with my brown and white stuff. So let's bring that over here. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my pine cones, and I think I might put those on the corners just for fun. And then I have some really cool white rocks, so I'm gonna add those in. And I found this really cool bird feather, and it is brown and white, and it's actually kind of orange, but I'm gonna call this one brown and white. So we're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put in this is a soft plant called a dusty miller. It feels like a nice blanket. We have some white flowers. This one has white and brown. Put in this to fill it up. We have brown grass. Now I have all these really cool sticks. I think I'm just gonna break them up and use them to fill the rest of my picture. And so it turns into a really cool nature kind of mosaic picture. And if you take a picture of this stuff up really close, you can get a really cool picture. So I made my rectangle, and let's count how many things I used in it. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I used 13 things. I counted sticks as one, but 13 things. Okay. Now, let's do a new shape. And let's see if you can guess what this is. This shape has 0 sides. 0 sides. And it is round like a wheel. Does anyone know what this shape is? It's supposed to be round. Starts with a C and it sounds like circle. Okay, so for the circle, I think I'm gonna use all my purple and pink things that I found. We have some lavender. This is actually a chive flower. We have these pretty maple tree leaves. Look at this bulb. That is cool.
That's round by itself.
Yeah, that is round. It's like a circle. We have really pretty bright purple flowers, fuchsia. This really cool grass, which is actually black, but I'm gonna put it in this category because I thought it looked really cool. And a purple rock. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with my rock this time. I'm gonna put it in the center, and then I'm gonna do this. Since it is circle, I'm gonna cut it right there. Put it like that. Ooh, look at that. Okay, then I'm gonna cut these up. Put them around. Let's see. Let's add this. These are the seeds of a tree. These flowers, a pansy. This one has a little, oh, there we go. That. Let's put this here. Okay, so you can kind of cut them and fit them into the picture as best as you can. I think that's really pretty. Get these on there. Okay. There is our purple and pink picture, and that one's a circle. And that one is pretty piled up, so I'll let you count that one on your own. All right, one last picture. Can you guess what this shape is? It has 3 sides, and it starts with a T. It's a triangle. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. And I'm gonna get my green and yellow stuff. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the bigger pieces, and I think I'm gonna chop this down a little. Put this on this side. I think that can fill a whole
Oh, that's beautiful.
area. Let's chop this up a little. Get those in. And see how I'm filling the whole background? It makes it look like a really pretty picture instead of a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, we got this really pretty green, yellow pansy, yellow leaf, have some ivy, rosemary. I love these. It actually came off a succulent. Okay. And there's our yellow and green one. And we made that into a triangle. So I think for each shape you make, let's try and write down some of the ingredients you used, like a fern, a pansy, and what colors you found outside. And write down the shapes that you made too. Let's see what kind of really pretty pictures you can make, and tag us on Instagram. Let's see what things you can come up with. Have fun.